everyone, today I will introduce this 3-in-1 multifunction expandable RF microneedle. This machine, we can say it's very beautiful. It's professional for salon. It consists with 3 working handles. RF. This is RF microneedle, and this microneedle we will have 4 pieces tips. 640 pin for body and middle 25 for face, and we have 2 pieces 5 pin. Another for face lid. This handle is our cooled hamper for our shampoo and skin. This is our micro needle for acne removal. First, we choose the first one RF golden handle. Then we can see here have many functions. This F means face, B means body. We can choose any one according to our need. For example, we choose face, then we come to face function interface. Here we can choose the treat time, beeps, speed, suction, and RF. For example, first we choose this place or we choose this place. Then we can set dips. First clean dips, then we set permanent. Normally we set permanent 0.4. Then we can start. If we should set different permanent, first we should start. Then we set. For example, we set dips. Then start. Now I show you. Because before I choose manual, now I also can choose automatic. First stop, then choose automatic. If we choose automatic, so we don't need to set the permanent. For example, choose here. Then tips can work automatically. Now we come to second function button. Click the button. Then we come to micro needle. Micro needle main function is acne removal. Now we can set energy and speed. Normally we set energy from 90 watt. So, and the speed we should set 0.4 star, because if we lower 0.4, maybe no have more power come. Then we can start here. Here, then we can start. This is a micro needle for acne removal. When we do treatment, first we already set the energy, so we should first take this micro needle. Then we should take this. First we set permanent. Second we take this micro needle. And third we should put this native blend in our clinic. Because our clinic maybe not on our beauty bed, so we just put this native blend in our clinic bed, same like this. Then we should control foot pattern, same like here. Control foot pattern, then let our micro needle works. So we can do acne removal. Now we come to code hammer interface. This is a code hammer interface. We can only set this place we can choose. Then start. This code hammer main function is shampoo and make our skin skin rejuvenation, same like this. Especially after treatment micro needle, so we should use our code hammer such our phone. Same like this. We should choose the cold hammer feeling. If we feel very cold, we can set function interface. This code hammer is very easy to operate, so I can put more. Now finish.